guys, welcome back to ColdStart Garage. It's February 4th, February 5th. Just yesterday, it was negative 10 degrees. So this could be more of a talking piece. I'm going to tell you what's going on in this year. Some pretty exciting stuff. So a buddy of mine, he gave me a 1979 Honda CB400. It's in boxes. I'm gonna show you that. It's over there on the porch. I can see it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you. So Wednesday, I'm going through the face page marketplace looking for a motor for this CB400 because my buddy, he wants the motor for a go-kart build, which I don't blame him. He gave me this bike absolutely free. So I'm looking for this engine, one for trade or one to install on the bike. I found a Suzuki Gs850g, $250 with a title. Great. I need to have this bike. So payday comes around. It's like, guy, will you take 200? He's like, no, I gotta have 250 for it. Sold. Fair deal. The bike needs work. Let's just start with the cosmetics. The tank color scheme doesn't work good. The handle grips are kind of eh. It's missing plastics on it, with the logo. Those could get expensive. Have you guys ever priced those? Whew. I found one for $114, one side. Besides the point, the motor doesn't run. He says the coils are new. We get spark on one side. He suspects a CDI. I think it might be the signal generator. I don't know. I haven't put probes on anything yet. Literally just got it the other day. It's too cold to have it here. It's at my father's house. Needs a new rear tire. It needs a throttle cable. It needs some work. It needs a gas cap too. You can buy aftermarket ones for money. It could be costly getting an original. So what am I doing? What am I doing? That's a good question. So I think I'm gonna unbastardize motorcycles on a budget. I want to bring these machines close to stock as possible on a budget and get these old motorcycles out of boxes, out of barns, and get them back on the road where they belong. And I hope you guys enjoy this journey. That's not saying I'm going to stop with motor bicycles. They are fun as hell. We're still going to have fun with those. Go-karts and mini bikes, the recreational stuff. I'm really interested in doing that kind of stuff, but I really want to mess around with some motorcycles. Yeah, we got it in 5th or 6th gear. I'm just gonna see if the engine rotates. Ah. I like that. So what's the plan? What's the plan with this Honda? I'm gonna bag my buddy Chris for the motor. Give him cash, or do some horse trading. Maybe we'll get maybe I can find a motor for him and he'll just give it to me. But in the meantime, there's plenty of work to do here. I'm gonna paint the frame, the tank, the fenders, the plastics. I'm gonna patch this seat right here. The seat is a beautiful shape, other than those 2 holes. Got a couple holes right here. Already got a patch kit for that. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of prep work. getting this bike out of boxes back into a bike shape. There's gonna be a lot of content here for you guys. I'm hoping I can provide you with some good stuff for this year. Get something out a little more regularly than once a month, every other month. And we'll make this channel into something for you. Yeah, lots of stuff. It's gonna take me quite the minute to sort everything out and see what I'm missing. Again, I'm gonna try to do this on a budget. We'll make this bike that's and it's an entry-level bike. It's a 400cc bike. They don't go for super expensive. But I want to bomb around on it, go up north, get some nice riding videos for you guys. Oh man, we're gonna have some fun this year. I really look forward to this adventure. I know this movie is kind of just me talking, rambling, but I hope you guys see the direction I'm going. I'm trying to keep you guys in the loop. And I really think we're gonna have some fun this year. Thanks for watching ColdStart Garage, supporting me these last couple years. It's a blast seeing the channel grow. I'm up over 1,000 subs now. Thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate that. I never thought in a million years you guys would actually watch this guy. So let's put some bikes together. Stay tuned for the next chapter.